the complete guide to holding effective meetings at work that are most productive and time-saving. What do we understand by the term meeting? Everybody has heard the term meeting, but most people do not realize why meetings are conducted. It's important to understand the purpose behind holding meetings. A meeting is an event where people come together to discuss or work on a particular topic or agenda. Meetings can be organized in many ways. The most common types are as follows. A conference call is a meeting that occurs over the phone. It is usually used when there are only 2 or 3 people on the call, and they want to keep the meeting short to discuss an urgent matter. A webinar is a type of online meeting where all participants have internet access. It can be hosted by one person or more than one person. It can either be live streamed or recorded for later viewing. A virtual meeting is a type of online meeting where participants do not have internet access at their location, and instead participate through a video connection with other participants who do have internet access. How to hold effective meetings at work that are most productive and time-saving. It can be quite a challenge to have productive meetings. Meetings are a part of everyone's workday. It is important to make them as useful as possible. The following are some tips for holding effective meetings that are most productive and time-saving. Make sure you set clear goals for the meeting and that you have an agenda in place before the meeting starts. Always include a timekeeper for the meeting. Sometimes, that timekeeper is also called scribe, who records all that is said by the participants. The timekeeper also reminds participants to stick to the agenda if the discussion takes different directions. Consider holding your next meeting in person rather than on the phone or video conference. Video-based communication is not as engaging, and can lead to important details being missed. Our experience has shown that keeping meetings short and to the point is a very valuable way to maximize efficiency. At the same time, short meeting time maximizes quality by ensuring that attendees spend maximum time on the day-to-day jobs by not sitting in long meetings. Before each meeting, it is important to let people know what they need to bring or prepare beforehand. You can send an email or give them a call the day before sharing the agenda and key points of discussion. Don't use acronyms or jargon without defining them, write out what they mean instead. What makes a meeting successful? A successful meeting is one that achieves the objectives of the meeting. The success of a meeting is determined by what was achieved and how it was achieved in the shortest period. Some people believe that a good meeting will achieve its goals without any problems. This is not always the case. A good meeting can have some minor hiccups, but it will still be successful because it has met most of its objectives. A bad meeting will have many problems and not much success in achieving its goals, also resulting in a longer time. How to make meetings more efficient. Meetings are a necessary part of life. They are a way for people to communicate and share their ideas, opinions, and thoughts with one another. But sometimes meetings can be too long and boring, which can lead to people not wanting to attend them in the future. In order to make meetings more efficient, it is important to have an agenda at the start of each meeting. This will help everyone know what they are going to be discussing before the meeting starts so that they can prepare themselves appropriately. Participants should be asked to limit the discussions to the agenda topics and need to be reminded frequently about it. Start holding effective meetings today with these tips. Meetings are an effective way to get work done. But, if they are not well organized and time-bound, meetings can be a waste of time. In this video, I have shared tips on how you can make your meetings more efficient and productive. If you follow these tips, you will be able to hold successful meetings that will lead to more productivity and less wasted time. Most importantly, participants would be willing to attend your meetings and solve problems together. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful professional tips.